You can use a lipstick as a color corrector. So if you have, hyperpigmented area, you can use orange or red kind of lipstick. Take a little bit of amount and blend it really well. You can always build it up. Another way is to use it as contour. So if you have any brown dark kind of lipstick, you can use that as a contour. Again, you can directly apply it on cheek and then blend. Another way you can use your lipstick is as a blush. If you have any pink or coral kind of lipstick, you can use that as a blush. Note that you have to take a very little amount on the brush or directly on the cheeks, and you can always build it up. You can also use your lipstick as an eyeshadow. So here I am taking a very nude lipstick to create a natural kind of subtle eye look, but you can also use any dark lipstick to create a bold eye look. And you can use that as an eyeliner as well. So if you have any dark lipstick, you can create a colorful eyeliner. Keep in mind that you don't want to tight line your eyes with lipstick because that is not meant for eyes, so it can harm your eyes. Or you can make different shade out of 2 to 3 lipsticks. So here I am applying darker lipstick first and a little lighter lipstick on top, because this lighter lipstick washes me out on its own. So I just use it on top to create a new ombre kind of lip. And that was all for this video. I hope this video was helpful for you. Let me know in the comment section. Subscribe to my channel and I'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.